Hello, my name is Aaron Strauss. I am instructional coach of STEAM here at Salamanca City School District, and we are right now in our 3D printer room of the Salamanca STEAM Wing. So right now we're taking a look at the 3D printed face masks that our school district is printing for first responders and medical personnel across the county. The first face mask that we have is an N95 holder for N95 certified masks. And how this works is you have it prints in two pieces. One is the main structure that looks like this. We print about two at the same time, and we have about 14 different 3D printers printing these all at once. And this is what holds the N95 certified material. From there, we also have the square N95 holder, and this gets inserted into the N95 mask. First you put the material in, and then you insert the N95 holder on top of the material. And what's great about this is it creates a nice airtight seal so that the person can still breathe just like this. This helps protect them from breathing in unwanted particles, especially now with COVID-19. So once we have an improved design, we take the design and send it to something that's called a slicer program. And what the slicer program does is tell the computer how to build that file layer by layer using a 3D printer. Sort of like a bricklayer builds a building layer by layer with the bricks until you achieve the result that you're looking for. The design is open source. Our science teacher found it online and she sent it to us and said, "Can we print this?" And we said, "Yeah, let's try it." So meanwhile, Boundless Connections, a Olean-based technology resource and training company, put out a reverse RFP. In school district terms, an RFP is when we put out to all the vendors, we want this kind of product, and they bid. But they did a reverse RFP on us, and they said, "Hey, any school district that has a 3D printer and you're willing to 3D print for us, we have this new face shield design. It's 2 inches from the face so that both can be over the person using it. And it just protects the entire face. And also, which is nice, it protects the medical professional from rubbing their eyes accidentally, which helps stop the spread of the COVID-19 infection." So when the governor declared a state of emergency in the state of New York, all staff and students were cleared out of the building, and we were started to work from remote. At the same time, the county declared a state of emergency and a shortage of face masks, and they sent out basically an all call to anybody and anyone that could produce, sew, 3D print face masks at home, that they were accepting donations at that time. Well, I got an email from David Springer, who is a retired Dell engineer who consults for our school district and helps with the evening operations, opening up our now currently empty STEAM wing to the community. And he said, "We have the 3D printers, we have the knowledge, here's a pretty good model that we're using. Why can't we 3D print these face masks and donate them to the county for first responders and medical personnel?" And I said, that's a pretty good idea. Let's do it. So we reached out to our school district administration and they gave us the okay. We collaborated with our science teachers and technology teachers also working remote, and students as well. And we finalized which designs we wanted to use, and we started 3D printing and mass producing these here at our STEAM Wing. It's really great because not only can we continue to reach out to our students and help get them to help with this project and continue to learn from each other in this process, but the students can see firsthand how STEAM applies to real life. And we can help and donate them to a really good cause.